In this video, we will learn about CSS media queries and we'll look at some examples as well. Due to the increasing use of mobile devices nowadays, responsive design has become very important for almost every type of website. CSS media queries play a very important role in creating responsive designs and templates. They allow us to apply CSS based on different screen and media aspects. The CSS media queries allow us to define different styles for different media types. We can restrict the CSS styles according to many aspects, such as size, that is width and height of the viewport; orientation, that is landscape or portrait of the viewport; and resolution of the screen. We can define three types of media. All used for all media type devices. Print, used for print preview mode. Screen, used for screens like computers, tablets, smartphones, etc. Some commonly used media features are orientation, landscape or portrait; min width, minimum width of the viewport; max width, maximum width of the viewport; width, width of the viewport; min height, minimum height of the viewport; max height, maximum height of the viewport; height, height of the viewport. Now, we will look at a few examples. The following media query will limit the enclosed CSS code to screen sizes ranging between 320 pixels and 480 pixels. The following media query will limit the enclosed CSS code to all screens having width equal to or less than 960 pixels. The following media query will limit the CSS code to all screens having width equal to or greater than 960 pixels. Suppose we want to hide images with class desktop for screens of less than 960 pixels width. We will use the following media query. Similarly, suppose we don't want to show a section with ID section 1 on devices having width ranging from 320 pixels to 960 pixels. We will use the following media query. You can also link to different CSS files for different media and viewport sizes, like in the examples below. In the first example, we are adding a CSS file named print.css for only print type media. In the second example, we are adding a CSS file named screen.css for only screen type media, for example desktop and mobile devices. The third example code is limiting the use of mobile.css file to only screen type media, where the width of the device screen is less or equal to 480 pixels. The fourth example code is limiting the use of tablet.css file to only screen type media, where the width of the device screen is between 481 and 960 pixels. This was all about CSS media queries. Please subscribe for more tutorial videos.